diving into To Be in the Drink, a Splash of English Idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, to be in the drink. This idiom might conjure images of beverages, but its meaning is quite different and interesting. So, grab your notebooks, and let's explore this expression together. To be in the drink is an idiom that originated from nautical slang. It means to be in water, often unexpectedly or after an accident. This phrase can be used literally, such as when someone falls into a body of water, or figuratively, to imply being in a difficult situation without an easy escape. It's a colorful way to describe scenarios that involve water or trouble. The phrase, to be in the drink, has its roots in the early 20th century. Originally used by sailors, aviators, and fishermen, it described the perilous situation of falling overboard or crashing into water. Over time, its usage expanded beyond maritime and aviation contexts, finding its place in everyday English to depict various challenging situations. To fully grasp the meaning of to be in the drink, let's look at some examples. 1. Literal usage. During the boat trip, Mike lost his balance and was in the drink in no time, soaked from head to toe. 2. Figurative usage. After losing his job unexpectedly, he felt like he was in the drink, struggling to find a way back to stability. These examples show how the phrase can paint vivid pictures of both actual and metaphorical scenarios involving difficulty or mishap. When using this idiom, it's important to gauge the context. It's perfect for informal settings and can add a touch of humor or lightness to a story about a mishap or challenging situation. However, in formal contexts or serious discussions, it's better to use more direct language to convey the same meaning. Thank you for joining us to explore the phrase, to be in the drink. We hope this video has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also shown you how idioms can add color and depth to our conversations. Remember, learning English is an adventure, much like navigating the waters of language. Keep practicing, and you'll find yourself sailing smoothly in no time. See you in our next video.